Look how simple it is to put together. So check out the basket, guys. As you guys can see, we got our gym equipment in here, and we put another one here because we have a mailbox here. Look at this. When you get your mail, it goes into the basket. So not only are we setting up our gym equipment, we're actually setting up for a mail catcher here too. For extra hanging things on the side, you could put these on the little rail here. If you guys can see that. You get 1, 2, hang it in there. You could hang anything you want here out of them too. That's a plus. You can hang anything on that. Towels, ropes. The basket, guys. Carry a couple weights. Make sure that when you set this up, you put it on the actual wood itself. All right, you're gonna have to find the actual studs. Very important because these are actually a part for studs. All right, made especially for that. Carries all the workout equipment, and here we're gonna use this one to catch the actual mail coming in. So you can use it for other things too. Hope you guys enjoy the video.